What's your persistency at? How much are you retaining? How much?
High 80s, if not 90. I know for a while there it was at 90, and
So,
then
like-
my NTO rate is under 5%, I believe. Maybe, yeah, under 5%. So
That's killer, man.
and you know, it wasn't always like that. You know, when you first start out, you're pushing, you're trying to get the deals done. NTOs can be a heck of a thing, but these last couple years has been really, really good.
So what do you think's changed that's helped your retention?
Obviously is what the feeling that I'm giving off. Maybe the commission breath is kind of went away, you know. You know, I always tell people it's hard to be hungry when you're full, but that's the definition of a true killer in our industry.
Yep.
You know, you can have 150 grand in the bank account,
Yeah.
and then still go out there and I'm pushing for, you know, a $15 app or $20 app.
Yeah.
Still doing it, you know. So
That's a definition of being a true animal, right?
yeah, but you know what? I would say I probably just might be getting better.
Yeah.
After doing it for so long, doing one thing over and over again, how can you not perfect it as time goes on?
Yeah.
So,
That's awesome. So now we just gotta duplicate you, and we need to duplicate you across.
That's the hardest
100
part, right? Though, because you know, not everyone is going to be you. You know,
Yeah.
a lot of managers, even when I was just in the agent level, that said that, you know, you can't expect someone to be you, but if you find someone that is close to you, man, give them everything you got. Right?
Yeah.
And even if they're not, we can train them. You know, that's why I want to. You know, we're trying to portray to a younger generation, right? Because, you know, normally the insurance game is an old man's game, right?
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
I was the youngest one, 22, coming in the game, making it happen. Like, people are like, what, 22, 23, you're doing this?
Yeah.
But, yeah.
So younger people don't have to have experience, you know.
No, I'd rather you not have experience.
Yeah.
Let me show you what's been successful, so that way we can build these habits the right way.
So work ethic, good attitude,
Mm-hmm.
competitive, right? You said you like people that play sports. I mean, that's something that JR has always told
And
me.
not saying not only if you have, I mean, I've, like my top guy right now, he's been in sales way longer than me, but he came in with the open mind. Shout out Sean Yates. He came in with the open mind. He's like, he's like, if you tell me this is what works, you're successful, I'm going to do it. He's like, I've sold almost everything under the sun.
Yeah.
And he's like, if this is what you say is going to work, I'm going to do it. I'm not going to be stubborn. I'm going to do it. And he's having great success with it.
Yeah, he's killing it.
He's been killing it.
Basically just being a sponge, man. That's a
sponge and a hard worker. You know, and you have to make it your own, obviously. I'm not one of those guys where say you have to do everything like me, because that wouldn't be fair.
It wouldn't work,
Yeah, it wouldn't work. You have to make it your own. But in order for you to make it your own, especially like something like the script, learn the script, learn it from top to bottom, and then through trial and tribulation, figure out what you like, figure out what you don't like, but do not reinvent the wheel. You know, you can make there's a million ways to skin the cat. As long as the cat gets skinned, we're in the game, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But especially starting out, get the foundation set and then start to make it your own.
That's awesome, man. That's awesome. Great advice. And I know that this is just like being an agent or when you're out working the field, it's a snowball effect, right? And your snowballs just starting, man. I know that you're gonna be one of our next millionaires coming up.
Hell yeah.
So
no doubt.
So definitely want to make sure you check out D Wood. We'll put his information. Check out his Instagram. And what was the Instagram again one more time?
The Real D Wood and A Wood Associates, AWA. If you want to change your life in a major way, contact AWA.
Yeah, man.
Big ups Golden Memorial, Taylor Legacy, Lincoln Heritage, the whole Berrigan family, Adam Hale, Jesse Escobar. We're going to keep winning.
That's it, man.
Yeah.
That's just getting started. Definitely reach out to Dylan. You'll be in great hands. I guarantee if you do what he's going to teach you to do, he's going to help you make a ton of money.